Hi, I'm Peter Coors. I have two children for whom I wrote a story back in the 1970s when people were going to the moon, and it's just been published as an ebook on smashwords.com. It's called The Astrocats. It's about 3 kittens, and this is how it begins. First canto. 3 kittens lived on Cherry Lane. Their names were William, George, and Jane. Their house was warm, their food was splendid, so all their wants were well attended. And yet, this fact I can't afford to hide from you, these cats were bored. George always looked a trifle glum, and all day long he sucked his thumb. Jane sometimes poked him. Georgie yelped, but said it simply can't be helped. So much for George, and as for Jane, she lay upon the counterpane and read and read and read all day. Sometimes George wanted her to play. She muttered, "Can't you go away?" She didn't even want to look, but kept her eyes glued in her book, not only day, but also night. She cried if they turned out the light, "Another chapter, one more page," till George would fret and fume with rage. Now William was the thoughtful one. He saw that something must be done. He feared that George might suck his thumb off, and that Jane's legs and arms might come off, leaving her only head and eyes unless she got more exercise. And so it was that he began to think of a plan.